I'm out of here. Mix a little work stress, cabin fever, and boat issues, and you get one antsy Baldylocks. With my boat in the shop and the Arizona heat here to stay, it's been a hard few weeks. I got my boat back, carved out a free night, and I'm off. After I get the necessary supplies and perhaps a few unnecessary luxuries, I'm spending the night on the boat and chasing flathead catfish. The bite's been very slow, I hear, but I'm guessing that the spawn is over and the big cats are hungry, and I am pumped to find out. The Arizona heat's no joke, however, and staying outdoors at 115 degrees could be considered downright foolish. And that's me, a fool who can't stay away. Come with me as I chase down some flatties in July.
Okay, let's go.
Goal!
All right, thanks for watching. This is a small channel, and I would like it to not be so small. If you'd consider subscribing and pushing that like button, it helps the channel a lot, and I'd appreciate it a great deal. This is going to be a fun little trip. We're just going up lake as far as we can, getting as much bait as we can, and hopefully get on some fish, and I know we do. So, guys, been a hot minute since I've been out to the lake. I am here today. It's hotter than shit. It's been a hot July, and it's on track to be the hottest July of all time here in Phoenix, which is impressive because it's always hot. But I think it's like 114 today. That's not awesome, but my boat's been in the shop for about a month, and I'm gonna run it today. I'm pretty sure it's dialed now. I've been having issue after issue this year. Talks of getting a new motor have happened, but I don't know. So I'm gonna get on the water and see what happens. Sweat my ass off today and tonight. A couple new things on the boat. Look at this. Storage in the front and in the back. Lots of storage up here. I just don't need it right this second, but when I want to put things up out of the way, get it off the messy floor like this, I got it covered. And the motor's running great, by the way. Well, I got to where I'm going to be for the night, and I thought before I got started fishing, I would go ahead and run up this canyon about a quarter mile and set up my trail camera. Done really well at seeing animals up there. A lot of deer, some coyotes, tons of quail and rabbits. So just some good desert wildlife I love seeing. I'm taking up some apples and some little chicken legs, see if we can get some animals to come in. And after that, I'm going to be ready to jump in the lake. It is so oppressively hot out. So. All right, got my trail cam right there. Got some apples, some chicken out here. And last time my SD card didn't work, so I didn't get anything, but my apples got eaten, so something was there. God awful hot. It is so hot out here. Haven't started fishing yet. It's after 5. They got bait. Bait's easy this time of year. The water temp says 91 degrees. I'm gonna go jump in it and cool off and get some bait out. Good to be out here again though. Motor's running great. All right, guys, real quick, I'm going to run through the setup that I use. A lot of people ask about the setup. It's kind of your standard 3-way setup. I don't know what it's called. There's a guy with a YouTube channel, TD Fishing. It's a cool channel. He kind of does what I do, flathead fishes a lot, and does a few other things. But he did a really good video this year on the whole setup. It's exactly what I use, and it's what most people use out here at Bartlett Lake. But let's talk about it. I use 100-pound braided line, and 100-pound is a lot, but most guys out here say you need more, 150. And the reason is really sharp rocks like this underwater. If you're pulling a big fish and he's sliding you along these rocks, your chance of breaking off is pretty good. So I still like just using 100. I haven't broke yet, but I'll cry someday over that. All right, so on the on the main line, you want to put a bobber stopper, and then a bumper or a bead, and then my float. That float will hit that and stop. And then coming down, I'd say 18 inches, another bobber stopper to protect your knots. I put a 3-way swivel, a strong one too. From there, going down to my main line, 80-pound mono, to my most recent type of hook is the Whisker Seeker Triple Threat 8/0. That's a neat hook. It's kind of a circle hook and then kind of a J hook. It's kind of what you want. I mean, it's definitely a circle with that inward tip, but Whisker Seeker seems to think you can set your hook on it and pull real hard and it'll still grab. So my catch rate went up when I started using these. I was using traditional J hooks before because I do like to set the hook. I've learned how to just reel down on fish now, and that's a better thing. So again, 80-pound mono to a 3-way swivel. The other part of the swivel is about, it's for the weight. I use 20-pound test mono coming down, and I just want the weight to be a foot or two past the hook. That'll keep the fish from being able to get down to the bottom, so he's constantly moving and attracting fish. So that's the setup. I've been fishing for about 5 minutes just with one rod in that deep hole where I caught my 51-pounder. Hoping, but not holding my breath that I'll catch one before dark. Fishing's been slow. I am going to put out some crawdad traps and try to do a crawfish boil tonight. We'll see how I do. Check out what my badass wife got me for Father's Day. It's a Mr. Fin. It's rechargeable. The bucket there's full of water. And this is one way to beat the heat. The sun's off of me, that's the best way, and there's a light breeze. Actually not too bad out here. No fish yet. It's a deer. Another one right behind it. That's cool. Beautiful sunset, and whee! I got a flatty tonight. I'm pretty pumped about that. I've been hearing it's awful slow, not much going on. Look, you know me, I'll take a small one, and it is small, but first flatty of the night, out in the shallows right out there. I got my one in the hole, hasn't done anything, so I'll move that after dark, but for now, one flatty. Okay, so this is gonna be dinner. My crawdad traps aren't doing very good at all, and we do a catch and cook. Make some fried catfish. Oh boys. So that's 7 o'clock. It's hot. I drank a lot of water, so I earned that, just in case you were wondering.
Got the one flathead. I'm gonna eat it tonight. Gonna do a flat catfish po' boy. I got a buddy, Dave, who told me once that even though I'm from Oregon, I got a little redneck in me, and you gotta take that as a compliment, I think. Yeah, redneck shit's fun. This is fun. All right, guys. I went ahead and cut up that fish. I promised myself I was gonna keep more fish, start doing some catch and cooks, and so I filleted out. There's a 4-pound flathead. Got a pound of meat out of it. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna dice these up, put them in a bag with some Frank's Red Hot, and put them in the ice chest for a little bit till I'm ready to cook. We're gonna have ourselves that catfish po' boy. So, all right, I'm gonna cook all that. I'm gonna save this for my father-in-law. It's not much, but it's something. Let's cut it in half. Alright, put in the fridge. Woohoo! Flighty number 2! Flighty number 2! A little bigger, we'll get a weight on that. Looks like around 8 to 10. It's nice, man. I'm excited. I'm pumped. Whew! Well, I caught the one. I was putting it in the bag to put it away. It's 8.5. I just caught a big one. I caught a delicious little guy. I'm excited. I'll tell you, those Whiskers Seeker triple threat hooks, they just don't miss. All right, well, let's get some weight on this guy. All right. Oh, that's a good fish. Nice. 19. Oh, 19, man. It's a good night for a slow time of year. Whew. Freaking awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Jurassic bugs. Let me look at that thing. It's gnarly. Pretty awesome too. And they dive bomb you. They hit you in the face. Not good. All right, it's getting late. I'm gonna start on dinner. It's gonna be a catfish po' boy. So I gotta dice up a bunch of vegetables. I gotta create a batter my fish. I'm gonna fry them. I'm gonna grill the bread, get it toasty, and then put it all together. It's gonna be delicious. I'm excited about it. Gonna make remoulade, like a spicy tartar sauce, basically. It's a Louisiana thing, but you know, YouTube taught me that. All right, hang up. All right, a remoulade. Roughly a ½ cup of mayo, a couple tablespoons of mustard, salt and pepper, throw some garlic in there, minced garlic.
little bit of Frank's Red Hot. Okay, a lot, apparently. The lid came off. Better put some more mayo in there then. Lemon. Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna dice up a few pickles, throw them in there as well. Way too much Frank's Red Hot went in there, but it's still gonna be delicious. All right. All right, prepping for the sandwich. A little bit of tomato, onion. All right, got Louisiana Cajun fish fry. Got my nuggets. And put this in here, mix it all together. Fuck yeah. What? Well, this bite's embarrassing. I mean, I misjudged the size of this sandwich significantly, and I put it up to my face. Because I'm creating content, of course, I couldn't stop. That was an absolutely monstrous sandwich, and it was a challenge to get my mouth around it. Quite frankly, I'm proud of myself. You know? I mean, lesser men would have quit, but not me. Not this guy. I powered through. I got a big old bite and rethought my life choices after I put it back down. But enjoy this bite in all its glory. I know I do. Yeah. Fresh catfish, man. That's really good. Holy crap. I just finished dinner. I was cleaning up. I just pulled in a biggie. He's nice. I'm guessing somewhere around 25, maybe 30. It's a good fight. God, he just took off with it. I'm gonna weigh it. Oh yeah. Oh shit. 29.1. 29 pounds. Whew. Sonoran desert toad. They're easy to catch. They don't jump that fast. say all you want about skunks. I think they're adorable. They really don't pose much risk unless you scare the hell out of them or throw things at them. This little guy got fairly close, maybe a tiny bit closer than I was comfortable with, but he didn't mean no harm. He just was not seeing me as a threat and kind of trying to get back out of the way. All these animals got to drink water at night, and when I'm blocking one of their main ways to get to the water with my boat, they got to take a little risk, and paid off for a little skunky here.
All right, so 4 for the night. I'm calling it early, trying to get out of here before it gets too hot. I can't remember what this weighed, 28 pounds, I think. It's on the video, I'll find out. And just right at 20, a little under. That one's 8, and then I ate a 4-pounder. So, man, that was a good night. I'll let these bad boys go. You big boy, you can do it. Oh, you're strong. All right, see ya. Beat each other up. It's hard to do with one hand. Alright, anyways, I'll let this one go too.
Though it was impossibly hot, I had an amazing time. I think I made a great dinner, and we saw lots of critters, caught some flathead. I don't know if you can ask for a better trip. You can maybe ask for, I don't know, 40 degrees cooler weather, but I won't beg. Again, I appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe, and if you want to talk, if you want to ask me questions or you want to dialogue, and pretty soon I think I'm going to start taking some people fishing, feel free to reach out. I love the comments. I'll answer every comment. Anyway, I just appreciate everything. I'm loving doing this, so thanks for watching.
Okay, let's go.